Hi, welcome back to Lemon Cone. Today we are diving into the world of soft and fluffy pancakes. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, we have got an easy recipe for you. Let's get started. To start, grab a bowl and sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour along with baking powder, baking soda. Mix them well and set them aside. Next, take an egg at room temperature, add sugar and vanilla essence, and a pinch of salt. Use a hand whisker to beat until the sugar dissolves completely. Now add oil or melted butter, mix for about 10 to 20 seconds. Add milk which is at room temperature and white vinegar to form buttermilk. This is what's going to make your pancakes super fluffy. Add the dry ingredients into the mixture and mix it well. Be careful not to overmix as we want to be soft and fluffy. Just blend until the ingredients are incorporated. If you want it more fluffy, let the batter rest for half an hour, but if you're eager to get cooking, no worries, we can keep going. Before we start cooking, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button. This way you'll stay updated with all our delicious recipes. Now let's get back to the pancake. Here's an interesting twist. We're going to show you the difference between making pancakes with and without greasing the pan. First, we grease the pan with a bit of butter. We'll be using 1/4 cup of measuring spoon for even-sized pancakes. Pour the batter into the pan. Make sure your flame is set on low to medium. Let it cook until you see those bubbles form. Once you see those bubbles, it's time to flip your pancake. Cook for additional 30 seconds. Once it's done, transfer it from the pan to a plate. Now let's make another pancake without greasing the pan using the same method. Without greasing, you will have a more rustic look on your pancake. There you have it, soft and fluffy pancake that will make your mornings truly special. Serve them with butter and honey or maple syrup. Time for tasting. Delicious! Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay sweet and keep cooking, keep smiling.